So we're gonna see how many of these V8s we can fit into this fridge. I'm guessing about 35 will fit in. What do you think, Josh?
30.
30? Okay, we'll see who's right. Probably both way off, but we'll get going. I cleared the whole aisle at Walmart, by the way. I'm trying to buy these. Oh man, these are smaller than I was thinking. Let's see how this goes. That's 16 right there.
I'm gonna change my guess.
You can't change your guess now. It's okay, mine's gonna be way off too. What if I run out?
You might.
I might run out. 60 may not be enough. Alright, so right now these would fit, but they're not stable. And in case we run out, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. Okay, fit in this top part by itself. Should note, at this point, I used all 60 cans that I bought. These ones that were sitting up here were originally fitting in there. So at this point, I'm going to start pulling from the top and counting from 60 to fill the rest. So this would be 61, 62, 75. Anywhere else you can see to put one? Maybe we can tightly squeeze 76 right there. Hold shut. Oh, come on. Come on. Boom. 76. In there. Holy crap. I was thinking 35, just based on
Pretty close.
pure visual. If I did some calculations, I probably would have been closer, but oh well. Now we know 76.
Human error.
Yeah, just a margin of error. So.